Here is the kind of fasting God wants from all believers. Let's open to the book of Isaiah 58, 6 through 12. The kind of fasting I want is this: to remove the chains of oppression and the yoke of injustice, and let the oppressed go free. Share your food with the hungry, and open your homes to the homeless poor. Give clothes to those who have nothing to wear, and do not refuse to help your own relatives. Then my favor will shine on you like the morning sun, and your wounds will be quickly healed. I will always be with you to save you. My presence will protect you on every side. When you pray, I will answer you. When you call to me, I will respond. If you put an end to oppression, to every gesture of contempt, and to every evil word, if you give food to the hungry and satisfy those who are in need, then the darkness around you will turn to the brightness of noon. And I will always guide you and satisfy you with good things. I will keep you strong and well. You will be like a garden that has plenty of water, like a spring of water that never goes dry. Your people will rebuild what has long been in ruins, building again on the old foundations. You will be known as the people who rebuilt the walls, who restored the ruined houses. In conclusion, Isaiah 58, 6 through 12 teaches that real spirituality is not found in rituals, but in righteousness. When we show mercy, defend the weak, and live in humility, God's light shines through us. Fasting that pleases God is one that transforms hearts and uplifts others, and in doing so, brings healing and renewal to our own souls.